In this clip, I'm going to be showing you what you can do with the heel, which is so important because we always step down on our heel. So I'm going to be lacing my fingers like this way, and I'm going to be having like a little tunnel like this. I'm going to be placing this over the heel, and I'm just going to be giving it a rotating movement. I'm going in and just rotating all the way around the heel. I can pull, and I'm gliding up. And I'm also using this corner of my hand as my fingers are laced, and I'm just going in and giving it some pressure. All this is playing, just playing an experiment with your own hands. And I'm going in and I'm rotating again like a locomotive. And I'm also using my body the whole time to do this. I'm not using just my hands, I'm using my arms, and my arms are being pushed by my torso. And it's all being lunged from my back foot. Also that I don't have to be overusing my fingers or overusing my hands. And it all goes towards the foot again, towards the leg, from the foot towards the leg, and giving it a glide back.